Hello guys, welcome back to another week. We are starting a new week. We are halfway through the month already and things are getting very quick. We're going to the 7th July, sorry. We're going to July in a few weeks, in a couple of weeks. So I hope everyone is having a beautiful year, you know, lots of new accomplishments and so on. Now, this week will be sort of busy week, not as busy as last week. You know, last week we had the Fed, we had the CPI, we had a bunch of things that we want to have this week, of course. So stay with me until the end because I do have some news coming to you all and I would like to share this with everyone. But before we start, please subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up on this video. And you know, if you want to help us to grow our community as well as help other people from your family, from friends, from the circle of your friends and so on, people that want to learn to trade and want to learn on how to how and why the actual market moves the way it moves, then please share this video with them, share our content with them on a daily basis, all right? We are here every day posting new content and posting new videos for you all. Now, we are on Monday and we're not going to have anything too huge today. So the market won't probably move, you know, at least USD, JPY, you know, CHF, those types of currencies, they won't be moving too crazy. The one that I'm eyeing right now is the euro dollar, all right? I'm eyeing euro dollar is because of the Macron, all right? If you haven't yet watched the video we've posted, Macron killed the euro, I highly recommend and suggest you to go back at the channel and watch that video now, all right? So pause this video and go and watch that one now. Because you will understand the whole context on why is euro dollar falling the way it is falling. All right, we had a lower CPI on US, euro dollar went up, and then we had the Fed interest rates decision paused and then went down. Of course, is because one of the reasons is because we have a stronger US dollar, but it's not the only reason, all right? So most probably friends will exit Europe. And this is the reason. I'm just gonna leave it here. All right. Now you go and watch the Macron killed the euro on ACY Securities YouTube channel. Now, for this week, we're gonna have the Bank of England deciding the rates, and we're gonna have the RBA deciding the rates as well. All right. RBA being tomorrow, as well with the CPI from Europe. Very hard to tell what the CPI will come. All right, I am expecting a pullback on euro dollar, but then a continuation to the downtrend on euro dollar. This is my personal opinion. I'm not giving any trade idea here for you at all. Then after that, on Thursday to Friday, just depends where you are around the globe, but Thursday to Friday, we're going to have if the inflation is as well on the consumer end, of course, inflation will be on the producer side as well. All right, because they will always pass it on. They will want take for themselves. So my opinion is that we will continue to have a strong US dollar, all right, for the rest of this week, as well as for most probably rest of this month. The US dollar has been decreasing since April. I see this as a pullback, all right, and a continuation to the uptrend. So euro dollar is, you know, most probably looking for this whole thing that is happening on Europe as well, not only because of the US dollar strength, but of course because of the Macron and all of the murmurs going around of France exiting the Europe, you know, Eurozone, let's say like that, and making it a very progressive and very long term. Nothing will happen like this, but a very long term, very bad for euro. Okay. So say this at all. Let's come back a little bit for tomorrow. We have the RBA, the Reserve Bank of Australia, most probably holding the rates, all right, steady as it is, because they don't have data, sufficient data yet to cut the rates, all right, as the ECB have done. ECB have done a good job on cutting the rates, in my opinion. Okay, they could and they would, of course, because inflation was very low, all right, very low, not very low, but was coming to the target. And in my opinion, they've done a good job, okay? Of course, this is not good for Europe and as well for Euro, and therefore this is another reason why Euro-dollar is falling. Now, the Bank of England will come and pause the rates most probably as well, because they are having a higher inflation in there and they have a lot to work on that yet, same as Australia. So most probably both of the central banks that we have, both of the central banks meetings that we have and the rate decisions we have this week will be maintained as it is with no changes at all. Most important is to pay attention on what they say and not what they will do, because what they will do the market already knows, but what they say on this sort of market is very important. All right, guys, I hope everyone have a beautiful week ahead. Just a small reminder and a quick one here: if you're not yet on the Telegram channel, please do it so by going at the description of this video. And as you're there, we will be having tomorrow my webinar. So if you're not yet registered for the webinar, do it so on the description of the video as well. Again, thumbs up on this video, share this content with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. I see you tomorrow on the webinar, I see you on the Telegram channel, or I see you in the next video. See you, bye bye.